If you've ever been working in Microsoft Word and found a text box sitting on your page that you no longer need, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to show you the fastest way to remove it. This is a super simple Word tip, but it's one that can save you time and frustration, especially when you're cleaning up documents, editing layouts, or removing extra design elements that are no longer needed. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more Microsoft Word tutorials just like this one. Now let's get into it. The first thing you need to do is make sure you are selecting the actual text box itself, not just the text inside it. That part is really important because if you only click inside the box and highlight the words, you won't be deleting the whole shape. To remove the entire text box, move your mouse to the edge or border of the box. You want to click directly on the outline. When you do this correctly, the border should change so that it becomes a solid line, and you'll usually see small circles or handles appear around the corners and sides. That tells you Word has selected the box itself. If you accidentally click in the middle and start editing the text, just click back out and try again on the border. Sometimes it takes a second to get used to the selection, especially if the box is small or there are other objects on the page. But once you see those resize handles, you know you've got it. After the text box is selected, all you need to do is press the delete key on your keyboard. On some keyboards, Backspace will also work. As soon as you press it, the text box should disappear from your document completely. That means the shape, the border, and anything inside it will be removed from the page. And that's really all there is to it. Click the edge of the text box until you see the selection handles, then press delete or backspace. It's quick, easy, and works in Microsoft Word whenever you need to clean up your document. If the text box seems tricky to select, take your time and hover around the border until Word highlights the object. In some cases, if a document has multiple shapes or overlapping elements, you may need to click carefully to make sure you're targeting the correct one. But the basic process is always the same. Select the border, then delete it. So now you know how to remove a text box in Microsoft Word in just a few seconds. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more easy Word tips, and feel free to check out more tutorials on the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.